How about over 300 days of sunshine a year, beautiful beaches, a relaxed lifestyle, and warm winters? Then this property might just be perfect for you. Welcome to Pilar de la Horadada, a charming coastal town in the heart of southern Costa Blanca, Spain. Nestled just 2 kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea, this stunning collection of 17 modern villas offers the perfect blend of Mediterranean tradition and contemporary design. Whether you're searching for a vacation retreat, a permanent home, or a smart investment, these key-ready villas are designed to impress. With 95 square meters of usable living space and 118 square meters built, there's room for everyone and everything you love. Step outside and enjoy your very own private landscape garden with a sparkling pool, perfect for cooling off on warm afternoons or hosting family and friends under the sun. Inside, each villa features 3 double bedrooms and 3 modern ensuite bathrooms, spread over 2 thoughtfully designed floors. The heart of the home is a spacious open-plan living and dining area, flooded with natural light, and connected seamlessly to a sleek, fully fitted kitchen, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the everyday. Upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms, each with a walk-in shower. The largest bedroom has access to a balcony, where stairs lead up to the sun terrace. Known in Spain as the Solarium. Up on the Solarium, you'll find a convenient outdoor kitchen, perfect for barbecues, and a shower to cool off during the warm summer months. In Pilar de la Horadada, you'll find everything you need, from healthcare and supermarkets to modern, multilingual schools for children. The town also features a long shopping street along Cormer, filled with shops, cafes, and local services. If you enjoy staying active, you'll love the extensive walking and cycling paths and the nearby Lo Romero golf course, just minutes away. And when it's time to unwind, the beaches of Torre de la Horadada and Mil Palmeras are just 5 minutes away, offering fine sand, clear waters. New build villas in Pilar de la Horadada are modern, tranquil, Mediterranean living at its finest. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more property tours and updates from sunny Spain.